I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and confirming you're in the account whose history you want. Once done, tap your profile icon at the bottom right to get to account options. Then tap the three-line menu at top right to reveal settings and privacy. This is where Instagram stores privacy and search options, so move directly there. Don't wander through other tabs. Making sure you're signed in prevents seeing empty history or a different user's data, which is crucial for accurate results. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll to the section labeled Your Data or directly to Search History. Instagram labels vary by version. Tap Search History or Recent Searches to reveal the logged queries, and understand that Instagram saves both usernames and search phrases. You can tap individual items to revisit profiles or use the clear option to delete everything. Selective deletion is useful if you want a clean slate but keep certain entries. Make sure to wait a moment to finish, confirm any deletions, and then restart Instagram so the change propagates. If you can't find search history, make sure you aren't viewing a different account and that the app is up to date. Older versions hide some options. If history still appears wrong, check Account Center or Privacy Data Controls because cross-account syncing can affect results. As a troubleshooting tip, log out and back in or use the web interface. That often reveals options hidden by a temporary app glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.